Good afternoon, everyone. I am Rajiv Ranjan Pandey, and I am here to teach you about Java programming language. So, as you all know, Java is a computer programming language. So, let's start. First of all, what is programming language? Let's understand this. What is a programming language? Let's get rid of it. Okay, so as you all know, like we human being have some languages like Hindi, English, Urdu, etc. etc. Okay, so these are the human languages which are used by the human being to communicate with each other. But if we talk about computer, then we cannot communicate with computer with the help of Hindi, English or Urdu language. Like you cannot simply ask your computer, hey, what is 2 plus 2? And your computer is not going to give you any answer that, but it is 4. Okay, so we have some different languages to communicate with the computer. That means communication between computer and human. This is possible only because of the programming languages. So hope you now understand my point. If human want to communicate with computer, then this is only possible with the help of programming language, because programming languages are those languages which are understood by both human as well as computer. Okay, so this is about programming language. Now let's understand how computer understand these languages. Okay, so I'm not going very deep in this topic. Let's take a look on it. What is computer? If we ask what is computer, then it may be your answer will be computer is an electronic machine which convert the raw material into and all that. Okay, so if you ask any uneducated person, then what is computer? Then what will be his answer? It may be that simply computer is something which is made up of metals, plastic, iron, all that. And this is true. What is computer? Is made up of some of the metals. So how a machine which is made up of metals, iron, plastic, copper, whatever metals are involved there, how it understand any language, whether it is programming language or any other language, how it understand that and how it gives us any answer. Like if we use calculator in computer and we enter 2 plus 2, then computer gives us the answer that it is equal to 4. So how computer understand this and how it will give us the answer? Okay, so let's talk about it. Computer understand only two things. As you all know, this is made up of metals and computer is run on electricity. Okay, so computer understand only two things. When we switch on the light. Okay, when switch is on, then current is flowing inside the computer or inside the circuit of the computer. That is called on phase. Okay, that is called on phase. And when we cut off the light, we switch off the light, then electricity stop flowing inside the computer. That is called off phase. So computer understand only two things, on or off. Okay, computer understand only two things, on and off. And this on is represented by 1. Okay, and this off is represented by 0. Okay, so computer understand only two things, 1 and 0, nothing other than that. Okay, so hope you understand my point. Computer understand only two things. When you switch off the light, that means when electricity start flowing inside the computer, then that is called on phase. And when electricity, when we switched off the light, then that is called off phase. That on phase is represented with the help of 1, and that off phase is represented with the help of 0. And this 1 0 is known as binary language. Okay, so computer basically works on a binary numbers. Okay, so this 1 0 is known as binary numbers. Hope you understand this. So actually, let's take a look on it. If a human want to communicate with a computer, then it should need some language that can be understandable. If a human want to communicate with computer, then we should, like we are human, if we want to communicate with computer, then we need some language that can be easily understandable, understood by the human as well as computer. So as you all know, we are humans, we understand our human languages, and this is computer, this understand only 0 and 0. So to solve this problem, a concept of programming language had introduced. Okay, concept of programming language has introduced. Programming languages are the type of language which can be understood by both human and computer. Okay, computer actually whatever we write, okay, programming language, whatever you write, computer converted that. Now don't think that what is programming language, how we will write that, just leave all that thing. Just remember, some programming language is something like English, Hindi, whatever, okay, which you understand by the computer. So if we write anything in programming language, then that is converted by the computer into 10001010, that means binary language, and then computer understand this binary language. Okay, computer understand this binary language. That means there is someone inside the computer which understand the programming language and convert that into binary language. This is also called machine language, and this is actually understand the computer. Okay, so this is the concept of programming language. A programming language is a language which can understand by both human and computer. So hope you like this video, and I'm going to make lots of videos in this series that will cover whole Java programming. Okay, in few days I will release the videos related to core Java, and after that I will go to the advanced Java. This video is useful for all the students who are in schools, whether they are in high school 9, 10, 11, 12, or students those who are pursuing any degree, a bachelor degree, like those who are doing BTech or BCA. So this video is useful for everyone. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.